Hello, my name is Francisco, and I'm going to talk about of my important things the obvious that I choose. So now I choose only the four objects. So I want to share about that. Well, my my first object that is my treasure for me is this clock that my grandfather gave it to me since a lot of time. So it's special for me because, well, each time that I use the clock, I remember my grandfather and also my aunts and my uncles said to me that with this clock, um, I like my grandfather because um, I look like him. So for that, I like to use it, and also for because I feel something special for when I use this clock. I feel my grandfather with me. So, well, with the next object, I think something that I consider art is my guitar. That is a guitar with 12 strings. More like the guitar is the music. I think it is something that I love and I consider it an art because, well, I don't know, I think um, all through the music we can express our feelings, and I think is the best way I express my feelings because I like to play the guitar and also distress my life, and well um and I get my guitar because I always since a child I had um I had dream to have a guitar, and then I learned to play guitar when I was 40 14 years old, and then I got my guitar of 12 strings, and well, I love it. And then something that I won is this beer. I won in a tournament of ping pong in a hotel. I always liked the competitive things in my life and the activities. So I know to play ping pong, and in the hotel when I live um with my family, when I visit see the beach in a hotel, the members of the hotel makes a tournament. So I decide to play, and I won a tournament. The last game, the final, I played against an Indian man, and I don't know, was cool and was a good experience. And for that, I won this beer, and I stay for the memory. And well, the next thing and the last is this that I have had um for 10 years, that is a saint, and I keep in my wallet because also my grandfather gave it to me and said that if you have this saint in your wallet, you always gonna be no, gonna have money in your wallet. So since that moment, I save I keep in my wallet, and I always have money, even 20 pesos, but I always have money, and so for that I keep it, and also because it's special because my grandfather consider give to me this same. So I think that's it, and it's all of my four objects, and that's it. Thanks.